Hello everyone and welcome to day 12 of the Daniel's fast. Today I'll be sharing with you a date pastry recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. The links for how I make my own whole wheat flour, brown rice flour, and date syrup will be found in the description. To a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to combine 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of brown rice flour. And 1 cup of hot water. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. We're going to allow our dough to rest for 30 minutes. Then we're going to divide into smaller sections, roll into a ball, place between 2 saran wraps or 2 Ziploc bags. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough. Then we're going to use a cookie cutter to cut out the dough. We're going to take about a tablespoon of the date syrup, then we're going to place it in the center. And then we're going to seal the edges. We're going to bake it at 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes on a silicone mat. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. The weapons we fight with are not the weapons of the world. On the contrary, they have divine power to demolish strongholds. 2 Corinthians 10, verse 4. Have a blessed day, everyone.